In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove password from Google Play Store. More precisely, you will learn how to stop Google Play from asking for your password every single time you buy something on this device. Now, pick up your Android phone or tablet and open the Google Play Store app. You will usually find the Play Store icon on your home screen or inside the app drawer. When it opens, you should see the Play Store homepage with suggested apps, games, or movies, plus a search bar at the top. Once that is ready, look at the very top right corner of the Play Store screen and tap your profile picture. On some devices, this might show your initial inside a colored circle instead of a photo. After you tap it, a menu slides down with options like Manage Apps and Device, Notifications, and Settings, so you know you are in the right place. From there, tap Payments and Subscriptions. This takes you to a screen that focuses only on how you pay in Google Play. Here you will see options like payment methods, subscriptions, and budget and history, which all relate to how money moves through your Google Play account on this device. Next up, tap Purchase Verification, or it might be called Verification Requirement or Verification Frequency on your version of Google Play. This section controls how often Play Store asks you to prove it is really you when you try to buy something. When you open it, you will see a list of choices for how frequently that check should happen. At this point, choose your preferred verification setting from the list. If you see Never, that option tells Google Play not to ask for your password for purchases on this device. If Never is missing, you can pick every 30 minutes, which means you enter your password once, then any purchase within the next half hour will not ask again. For all purchases is the strict option and keeps the password prompt every time you buy, which some people prefer for shared devices. After you tap an option, you should see the small dot move to that choice so you can confirm it is selected. After that, confirm the change using your Google account password or your fingerprint or face if your device offers biometric verification. Type your password carefully or place your finger on the sensor when asked. Once the verification passes, the screen closes or becomes dimmed, and your new purchase verification setting is saved immediately for that device. Before we wrap up, remember one key fact. Your Google account password itself cannot be removed, and you still need it to sign in, change security settings, or recover your account if you ever get locked out. Also, in some countries or on some devices, the Never option does not appear at all because of Google security rules in that region. You have now changed how often Google Play asks for your password when you make purchases on this device. If this helped you get smoother checkouts in Google Play, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Android tips.